Meaning of humpback bridge.
Humpback bridge.
Humpback bridge.
Humpback bridge.
Humpback bridge. A humpback bridge is a type of bridge that has a curved, arched or convex shape. It typically features a steep rise in the middle of the span, which creates a hump-like appearance. The purpose of this design is to allow for clearance needed by boats or ships passing beneath the bridge. Humpback bridges can be found all over the world and come in a variety of styles, from simple wooden structures to elaborate stone constructions. They have become iconic landmarks in many cities and are often featured in postcards and tourist brochures due to their unique and visually appealing design.